Harry Winston designed a brooch that is not just a piece of jewelry, it's a masterpiece of art. But what makes its design so unique? There are three key reasons. 1. Illusion of movement. Although the brooch is static, the shape of its beak, tail, and wings create a sense of motion, evoking the feeling of flight and energy. 2. Guiding lines. The line that start from the tail and extend to the wingtips naturally guide the viewer eye along their path. This technique is commonly used in high-end designs to create a visual engagement. 3. Color harmony. The combination of three colors, blue, yellow, and green, was carefully chosen to maximize visual appeal and bring the bird to life. Now, here's a question for you. Why do you think these three colors work so well together? What's the connection between blue and yellow? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.